If you want to set up back tap gestures on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then you will need to download an app from the Galaxy Store. It is important to search it over here because I believe it is not available in the Play Store, and it is called Good Luck. So we need to download and install this app, and once you install it, just open it. And after that, we will need to download an additional plugin that allows us for back tap gestures, and it is called Register. So press this arrow on the right side to download the plugin. Wait for the plugin to be installed. We can also scroll up because it will appear over here. And then let's go to the Register. And once we open it, first press continue in order to grant permissions. Let go. And we have the back tap action. And here we can turn it on. We can choose what should happen when we double tap the back of our phone. So for example, we can open an app and choose something like, for example, camera, because why not? And we can also adjust the sensitivity. We also have gates and triple back tap as well. So now you can pick up your phone and you can tap, for example, this area over here with your finger. And if you do so, as you can see, we can easily open the app that you selected or perform the double tap or triple tap gesture in the general. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!